Welcome to Fulcrum Home Decor. My name is Pallavi and I'm here to help you transform your spaces into a home. Today is another video of our balcony renovation series. This is a client who saw other client of mine. We redid their balcony into a dining space. So he approached us to make his balcony into a study room. Let's see how I started and what the process was like, and finally what the outcome is like. So just like any other balcony, the first thing that we need to do is cover up the balcony with a shade. So we did a GI shade. Once the shade was installed, we installed a grill and a window. Once both of these things were done, we installed a false ceiling to kind of make it feel like a room. There was a little loft above the door which was creating a hollow space. We covered that up to look like a beam. We also covered up the pipe that was going from, which is the actual plumbing pipe, rainwater plumbing pipe of the building, with a little POP pillar just to camouflage and make the space look like a room. The next thing that we did was to create the furniture here. The clients wanted a study space for their child. This room is primarily going to become their son's room. So he needed some wardrobe space to store his books and his toys and his even for his clothes, etc. So we provided them with that. We also provided him with a study table right in the center of the wardrobes. The wardrobe depth we have kept a little less so that things can be folded. However, these wardrobes will not hold anything to hang. This was primarily done because we wanted to have more space in the room during the day. This was one of the balconies that was going to be used by the client's mother-in-law as well. So we wanted them to have a space in the balcony where she could sit and have her morning tea or her evening chai and not feel like the entire house had been closed up and they didn't have a balcony space. So we created a seating right in front of the window. The seating has been provided with a granite top and we've provided them with storage below. This is an excellent place where all the boys' cricket kits and his other sports gear, shoes, also art and craft supplies, everything can be stored and it still looks very minimal and beautiful. For the bed, we've provided them with a bench type of a seating because the space is not going to be used primarily during the day for lounging or sleeping. So we've kept it like a bench so it can be used during the day for seating and having a conversation or even for a little play area for their younger daughter. However, during the night, this transforms into a single bed. The size of the bed has been kept larger because he is a taller boy and we estimate him to grow taller as well. So the mattress has been made as a fold-out mattress. One part of it acts as a backrest and the other one as a seating. Now, just to add a little element in this room, we did not want to add too much of wall paneling. So we've added just a molding above the bed to create a little emphasis on this particular wall. Since we went ahead with very, very soft colored laminates, very pale colored laminates, we used a fluted finish for the wardrobes and we've used a very grayish tone for the wooden part of the laminates. I generally love to mix wood and a plain color together because it provides warmth and it also provides the contemporary modern feel to the space. The laminate is in a gray wood tone and what we wanted to do is have a little bit of warmth in the space to make it feel a little more like a teenage room. For that, we've added the color yellow. The color yellow primarily sprung up from the blinds. We started by choosing the blinds for the space because that was going to occupy the largest amount of visible area in the room. So the blinds are in a lovely geometric pattern. They have a lot of yellow in them. This yellow has been reflected behind the study table. It has also been reflected in the mattress of the bed. So this room now looks so beautiful with the yellow and gray tones, and we've added accents in black so that it kind of feels a little bit more boyish but yet has a very modern contemporary feel to the space. The last thing that we did was add a flooring. The flooring that they had was a terracotta color, and that did not really go with the look of the furniture. So we have added a vinyl flooring. Since we didn't, if we added tiles, the floor height would have been raised and the door towards the living room would not open. If we added a wooden laminated flooring, the same problem would have happened. So we went ahead with a very thin vinyl flooring. They come in beautiful colors these days and finishes, so you don't even feel that this is not a wooden flooring. We matched it to the wooden laminate and it looks so beautifully blend as if it was made for this room. The final thing that we did here was, because we had these fold out balcony doors, they had a grill embedded in them. We did not want the grills to show because we wanted this to feel like a room and not a secluded space created in a balcony. So we got rid of the grill part of it and we frosted the glass so that when the doors are closed, this room has enough privacy. Of course, the accents and the cushions we matched up to the decor, which I always do. And this is how the room looks now. Thank you for watching this, and I hope you enjoyed watching this. I have somehow come to love these transformations a lot, and I feel that that little extra square feet that I'm able to provide to people, which they feel is lacking in their homes, makes it very worthwhile for me to do these projects. If you are in Pune and you're looking to cover up a balcony or make over a space or even design your entire home, please do get in touch with us. I would love to help you. All our details of communication are mentioned in the description box below. Of course, our social channels, we will be very happy to see you there as well. So if you would like to follow us, you can look at the description box for details of the same. I will see you very soon in another beautiful home video. Till then, happy living.